In this video, I'm going to teach you how to mention someone on your WhatsApp status. This is a new feature by WhatsApp, and this will help you to reach more persons, because right now you can mention someone in your WhatsApp status post and the person can actually share your message to his own contact. Alright, so this is a cool feature added by WhatsApp recently, and I want to show you how it works. Alright, so when you get to your WhatsApp, all you need to do, make sure you have an updated WhatsApp. If you don't have an updated WhatsApp, this feature will not appear in your phone. So right now, when you get to your WhatsApp, click on updates, and then when you click on updates, let me just be showing you. Alright, so when you click on updates, it's either you click here like that. Alright, either you click here to add a status, or if it is a write-up, you click here. Or if you want to add a picture, a video, you click here. So I'm going to click the first one. I click on add status, and then from here I'm going to choose a picture that I want to share on my status right now. And of course, I'm going to be sharing my WhatsApp. So right now you can see here, right now you can see this particular feature here called ads, right? So alright, first of all, you can add a caption to it. Let me just add a caption. Then okay, so I click on this, and then I'll put the write-up that I want to appear here. So beside it, I am going to click on this act right now. So when I click on the act, okay, when I click on this act right now, it is going to take me to where I am going to select. The first time that you are doing this, you have to they will have to show you what this mention will do, and then you have to click OK. Once you click OK, it will bring you to this place where you are going to actually select the people that you want to mention. So this is actually lagging. I'm going to pause this video and then come back the moment the contact list appear. Alright, now that the list of the person in your contact has appeared, so you can either click on here to search specific persons, or you simply just scroll and find the person that you want to mention. You can actually mention up to 5 persons. So just click on number 1 to mention, click on number 2 to mention, and then you keep on moving. Alright, you keep on moving. Just select 5 persons that you want to mention. 5 persons that you want to mention. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 persons. Let me see if I can choose. You can see 5 mention is the limit. So now we can go with these 5 mentions. So the moment you are done with this, you will just have to click on this. Okay, so once you click on this right away, so those contacts have been selected, and you just click on send. Just click on this button here. Click on this button, send here, and that's all. So now your status is being updated, and very, very soon it will be posted so that you can see the progress of your status updates. Okay, okay, you can see the thing is still loading, is still sending. You can see it here. You can actually see it from this place. Look at it, it's still sending. Look at the progress here as it is going. So the moment this is actually sent, let's just wait for it. Once you post it, you can actually view it from here. When you click on your status, this one is still sending, but when you click on it, you can actually view this particular status that you have just sent now. When you click on this particular arrow here, just click on these three dots, click here. Alright, you'll be able to view mentions. So click on view mentions. You will see the list of people that you mentioned in this particular post. Alright, so once you send this person is going to get a message like this. Let me show you here. This person is going to get a message like this. Let me show you what is going to happen when you mention someone. The person is going to get a message like this. You were mentioned. Okay, look at this here. It will show you something like this. You were mentioned, right? So when you go and click on this you were mentioned here, you will see the post that the person made. You can click on it. All right, you can click on that particular post. You can click on it to go and view the status. So I just click on it. It takes me to this particular status that this person. So look at another thing here. The power of this mention is that I can actually repost this particular picture here. So let me show you something like this. Let me show you something. Look at this. If I click on this arrow, I will be able to repost this status on my own status so that people can actually be able to view the status of that person that mentioned me. That's a powerful tool to generate traffic to whatever you are doing. So go ahead and try it. Go ahead and take advantage of this new feature. I am sure that WhatsApp may not leave this thing to be free for a long time. Because it's a powerful way to generate traffic to what you are doing. So you can do this, post so many status in a day, and then be able to mention a lot of persons and tell them to help you to share this on their own status. All right, so guys, this is the Blessed Man and welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification icon so that anytime I pull up a valuable video like this, you can be able to see it. All right, and then make sure you check out all the videos concerning magnet here. You can see that picture I posted on my status is a fortune. Just you can chat me up if you really want me to tell you about magnet, or you can just go and find a link in any of my videos. Look at the playlist that I have about magnet tutorial and the playlist that I have about the clicker bot of magnet. You get a lot of information. So guys, thank you and welcome to my channel one more time. I'll see you in my next video.